Hello guys, welcome to Zaytun Tats Plus channel on YouTube. In this lesson of CSS, we want to work with font. But before we start, like, subscribe and comment on my videos to make me keep contents. Now we start our learning. For this, we open our bracket. We open our live preview. In here we have added some basic codes. Now we want to add a paragraph in here. We come to lipsum.com. One paragraph. We copy this. Now in here p tag. In here we want to add an style only for this place, not the others, only this. To do this we add another tag in here, a tag. In add tag we come and define a class for it. Class name start. We save it. Now in here we come and style our start. Background yellow. Now we want to change the font weight. To change the font weight we should use font weight we want to use bold, and the size we want to make it bigger. We can use EM or PX. We want to use EM, and this is normal 1 EM, but we can change it to 1.5. It will be so bigger. It's good now. Now we come here and add another paragraph. We copy this. We have added another paragraph. For this we want to add another style. ID second. We come in here and add second read. In here we have added, we haven't closed our tag. If we do this we see that our style has down in here. Now we want to change the color of our font. Now we have changed the color to white, and we want to change the font size too. We want to change the font family to Lato. Font family Lato and font width now we have that two parts in our HTML. Now we want to change something else. We come here and add a header for it. For our H3 we define a style. Header 3, we copy it, and here we want to font size 50 px. Now we want to add alignment for it. We have aligned it in the center. Now we want to add text decoration for it. It should be underlined. Now we want to add another style for this. We want to add text transform. For this we want to add capitalized. If we use capitalized, the first letters will be capital. Now in here if we come and change this to lowercase, it will not be lowercase, it will be uppercase, or if we change their lowercase, but in here they show lowercase. One of the other styles that we can do with CSS, we can add font variant. For font variant we use all caps. We see that our first characters are capital and others are capital too, but the first one are bigger than the others, and it shows our website beautiful. The other options that we have to do with CSS, if we work with Arabic, Persian, or some other language that are right to left, what we do for them, we come to loremipsum.ir and copy one paragraph from here and add it on our website. For this we come and add another paragraph. And here we add another class for it. We have added the Persian class for this. We come to our style.css and type Persian. And only add direction RTL. If we add the direction RTL, it will change right to left. We have learned how we can work with class, and if we add a design or a style for p tag, all of them will be affected. Text align, justify. We have added the justify for our p tag. It has affected on all of the parts. Now we see it has affected in here. We have added some styles in here. But if we add P, style for P, all of them will get affected. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.